I got ice.
Now, I know I need to clean this car out, but them to replace the windshield wipers real quick. So I got the car on. I'm gonna put the wipers up by double tapping this up twice. All right. So cut the car back off. Trying to do this before I go to work. And go ahead and start the Durango. All right, we got Durango started. So go ahead and get our wipers here. As you can see, they all out of whack, especially this one. All out of whack, yeah. So yeah, let's go ahead and swap these out real quick. Press that button right now. Let me see if I can do it with one hand. Then you pull this down. It's a little hard trying to do with recording. There you go. So, show you what I did. You press the button here, press it down, pull it down. Boom, it's out of there. It's coming off. Once you do that, pick it up, it's out of there. Do the same thing for this side. Press that button there. Pull down. Press the button, pull down. Once you're down, flip forward. Once you got the button down, you go down a little bit, flip forward, pull out. There you go. Now your windshield wipers are off. Let's put them top. Come back in. Push up. We on there. So like I said, to get it off, press the button in, pull down, like I did earlier. So this button, pull down. All right, now we got that on there. Flip that back across. Boom, that windshield wiper is done. Driver side. The size we're using are the 15 and 28. You can go to Walmart and grab these real quick if you're trying to get something. My video quality probably sucks in this video. Same process, flip this down. Buttons exposed to the outside. I'll go over the top like this. Flip that down, like how I got it. Pull up. Once it click in, it's in there. Now, you got the windshield wiper there. Both sides are done. Flip it back over, and you in there. Now, double check to make sure they all on there. If you want to take them back off, press the button in, pull it down. So, double check it, make sure it's all in. Same with this one. Make sure it's all in. Place them back down. Same with this one. Place them back down. In. Get back in. Oh, need the key. Can't do nothing without the key. Press that. And the windshield wiper. Reset them back in a normal state. Just double tap that. And they back down. So, now we're gonna do a test pass. Check to see if they wiping good. And they're wiping good. Like I said, you want to double check it, go back out there, double tap that, and you should be good to get it in that position, save yourself some time. And then, after that, you just put them on, and you're good to go. And that's how you quickly install the windshield wipers on the 2014 Nissan Sentra. And here are the old wipers. They're trash. Like I said, the size is 15, all season. Got these from Walmart. I think these was like 10 a piece. It's 15 to 28. Those are the sides. See y'all on the next one. Peace out.